everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to test this air conditioner capacitor. If it's good or bad, I will go step by step how we can test if it's good or bad and what we need to test, what kind of tool we can use to test this capacitor. I'm gonna bring my camera a little bit closer and we're gonna focus on capacitor and our tool to test. Hey friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please click on the subscribe button, then click on the ring bell button so you can get the latest video notification from my channel. As you can see, I have a capacitor already removed from my air conditioner unit, but before you remove this capacitor, you need to follow all kind of safety, like you need to turn power off before you open this electrical panel where the capacitor is located, and before you remove those wires from the terminal, you need to short it out like that, because that a capacitor gets charged, it can shock you. So anyway, I brought it here because we're gonna focus only on capacitor, how to test. So first thing, you can use your visual inspection, like you can check capacitor. If it's like bubbly from the top, from the back, that means the capacitor is 100% bad, no good. And second thing, we're gonna use one of the mirrors. You need a good mirror. Okay, after visual inspection, we're gonna use this kind of mirror. Actually, I have this one in my toolbox already, so that's why I'm going to use. You can buy any other kind of mirror. If you don't have it, you can borrow. But only the one thing you need to know about it, as you can see, this is the dial. We're gonna dial this button on what we are testing. So we are testing capacitor, and you need to have this symbol on your mirror to test, because the top one is for diode and the bottom one is capacitor. If you look on Google, that's the schematic symbol for capacitor. So this mirror is capable to test capacitor. So that's the way we're gonna test with this mirror. So what we're gonna do, first, we're gonna put our probes. Black lead always at the common, it's a COM, and the red lead according to what kind of test we're gonna make it. And this mirror is called over here capacitor, so we're gonna put our lead over here. So I'm going to place my red lead over here. Now we're gonna dial this button to the capacitor sign where it says a capacitor symbol. Like here, there's a little point. We're gonna match to the capacitor, then we're gonna turn power on. Now our mirror is ready to make a test, and what we're gonna do, at the capacitor we're gonna read the terminal is common, it's called fan and Herm, and in the capacitor there is a reference values what we are testing for. It's called 80 plus 7.5. So basically where the compressor motor goes, like Herm go, is always higher value, and the fan motor is always lowest value. So 80 plus 7.5 MFD. So black lead is common, so we're gonna put it at COM side, and you can check either one. First I'm gonna check for fan. I'm gonna put it at green. Over here it says the fan, I'm gonna put it in hold. It's read 7.63, if you can see. Which one is 7.5. And now we're gonna check for Herm. So if I put common lead on the black and other one on the Herm side, so let's read 80. You can now read, and the meter is read 80. So at this point, this capacitor is perfect and is good. If you read value from here to the fan is more than 7.5, like 10, really high, that means this capacitor is no good, it's shorted out inside. Even is less, if it's 7.5, you need to be really close because it's microfarad. If it's like even like 4 or 5, then no good. Even other side, if it's 80, perfect. If it's less than 80, that means it's not good. It's higher than 80, it's not good either. That's the way you can tell your capacitor is good or bad. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.